Hello everyone, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas here with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. And I got a really good one here, always liking to demonstrate, different ways of looking at, especially the AI trades. Okay, so this was, BRP was an AI trade, or Holly as we call it. And you can see it was rated here at 21.55. That was the alert, okay? But that's not what makes the trade great, in my opinion. What made the trade great was, we always talk about how you don't have to take the trade right away. In fact, I never take a trade right away. I get an idea, generated from one of my scans or the AI. I'm always going to want to click on the alert. I want to check the scan. I want to check the charts, etc. So I actually didn't see this one at the very beginning. I didn't see it at 21.55, but it caught my eye because I was looking at the AI and I saw that it was doing very well. But what I was trying to tell people is, well, listen, okay, if you missed this at 21.55, but it was basing pretty well just over that 22 mark. And when you look at let me just see here, I'll just drag this in here. When you look left on the daily chart, the next high after that 22 level is 24.50. So from 22 to 24.50, do the math, that's $2.50. Now, I'm not saying it's going to get up there, but when I look at a trade, and I looked at this and I thought, okay, you're basing just a little bit over 22. Yeah, I missed my initial entry, but if this starts to work again, the next high is 250 away. Why not take the trade? And so that's what I was trying to convey to people. And I don't know where this is going. I don't know how close it's going to get to 24.50. It may stop right now and move down. But really what I'm trying to demonstrate, though, is that don't get hung up when you have an AI alert and that you think you've missed it. To me, it's a watch list. That's all it is. It's a watch list that you can watch all day long, and you can get different setups all day long if you use it as a watch list. And in this case, again, I'm not saying they're all going to work like this, that they're going to run, the way it did. But of course, the market being what it is, you've got to take advantage of the market. The market popped, and the market is up, 500 on the Dow, 400 on Nas, the SPY's up 100. So you got to take advantage of the market, and that's exactly what's happening here. So what made the trade great, of course, the market is helping a lot, but also a secondary setup that you could have easily taken advantage of, and you'd be up almost $1 on that trade. Wow. So the test drive starts on Monday. Okay, so you'll see there's an email. In the email, you'll see the link for the test drive sign up, and you'll actually have access to the program about an hour after the market closes today. And so we only do this 4 times a year. It only costs you $11.11. When the test drive is over, it's over. We don't put you into a subscription. You don't have to unsubscribe from anything. So I would really encourage you to take the test drive if you want to find out a little bit about what our program is all about. Again, you'll have 10 trading days with us. So have a great weekend, everybody, and I'll open the room Monday morning at 8 o'clock. And again, have a great weekend, and we'll see you then.